Hello everybody, this is Math with Josh. This video is just titled Super Quick Estimation Techniques for Discounts and Tipping. So a basic math estimation skill I often see lacking is the ability to do really rough but accurate estimations for discounts or for tipping on a bill at a restaurant. That's the ability to calculate a percent of a number or a percent off. So for calculating the percent of a number, if it's, an even or a number ending in 0, 10, or 20, or 30, let me improve my font here a little bit. The very useful thing to remember is that for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc., all you have to do to estimate this percentage of a number is to multiply by the first digit and then move the decimal point over one place. So for instance, let's say we had a bill at a restaurant of $23.21, and we wanted to leave a 20% tip. So we want to know, what is 20%? Well, 20 has a 2 in the front, so what we do is we would just double this and get 46.41, and then we move the decimal point over to the left one, and we get 4.64, round off the less than a penny. And of course, in practice, you might just round this up to 5. But that's the simple method for estimating percentages when they end in 0. If they end in 5, you have a couple options. You can just say you want to leave 25. You can do the 20 and the 30, and then pick the number that's the average of those two. But this is a really simple trick for just ones ending in 0. So obviously I'm leaving out a lot of odd percentages. The main reason is that it really helps for calculating a sale price. So if something's for sale and it's some percentage off that ends in a 0, instead of calculating that percentage, you calculate 100 minus the percent off and find that percentage. So let's say the jacket costs, I don't know, $43.20, but is on sale for, let's say, 70% off. So to calculate 70% off, step 1 is 70% off the price means calculate 100 minus 70 percent of the price for your answer. So we would say, well, okay, 100 minus 70 is 30. So to find out how much the jacket will cost, we just need to find what 30% of its price is. And as we said with the previous step, to calculate a percentage that ends in 0, where this is a nice simple technique, we say, okay, 43 times 20, we're going to multiply that by 3, and we're going to get, now you might have to do this with a calculator in your head. We get 129.60, and then we move the decimal place over 1. You may notice this is equivalent to multiplying by 0.3. I explain it this way as a quick estimation technique as opposed to a precise description of what's going on mathematically. So again, just a short video. If anyone would be interested in a more general discussion of how to calculate percentages and some other things you might do with percentages, the estimation techniques I use for when they end in 5s or for 25% specifically, please leave a comment and I'll make that video if there appears to be some interest. I hope this short little tip on calculating simple percentages that end in 0 was helpful to you. Once again, this is Math with Josh, and have a nice day.